Hello guys, welcome to our Future Friday Live. Let me know if you hear me all right. Tell me where you're from and how to use Wave. What do you want to see in Wave? That kind of stuff. Yeah, let me see if you have any comments yet. Okay. So short update today, but very important, especially if you're streaming from outside the US. So when you're streaming to the cloud, you're sending lots of data to our servers, video and audio streams, and often many videos and video and audio streams at the same time. And we always say you need to have really good internet connection to the stream, to the servers. In fact, it's the #1 recommendation for live streamers, really great internet connection. But it is also very important to be geographically close to the servers you send all those streams to. The closer you are to the servers, the better. The connection is faster, the response is shorter, and as a result, the quality of the video and the stream is better. I mean, simply because the quality of the video sent is always changing depending on the quality of the connection. That's why sometimes you see your video quality degrades or even freezes, and then it becomes great again because of fluctuation in the network. And I mean, you might have the greatest webcam in the world, but if your connection to the servers is not good, then you're not going to have great results you expect. Okay, just a sec. Yeah, okay. So basically to summarize it, it is important to be as close to the servers as possible. That's it. And this is what this update is about. Until today, we had only one location where the servers are located, our servers, I mean. It was on the US East Coast. I think it's Virginia, yeah. We're using AWS, Amazon Web Services, so we're using our servers are where the Amazon is, of course. And now we added 3 more locations: US West Coast in Oregon, South America, specifically Sao Paulo, and Europe in Ireland. When we create a stream, we automatically determine your location and assign you to one of those data centers. And when you stream, you're connected to the data center closest to you. We chose those locations because of where most of our users are, and we're going to add more when other locations become more popular. So please let us know how it works for you, especially if you're outside of the US. Let me just, so as I said, we just share this map. Basically, US and East and West Coast, Sao Paulo, and Europe. Okay. And another update is about editing and rendering in the editor. If you try to edit your streams or recordings, you may have experienced some issues, especially long rendering times and sometimes even failures or inability to render at all. We fixed it and we will continue to improve it. Basically, we rewrote our code, which was dealing with the streams rendering using beta approach, and we think we fixed most of the problems. As I said, there is still room for improvement, and we're going to release another update soon, but it should be fine for most of the cases now. So let us know if you try to edit your streams and experienced any problems. We would like to see your particular stream, your project, and figure out what the problem is. Okay, and the final update for today, stickers in the editor. Okay, let me just switch to another scene. So we did several things. First of all, we added new vector stickers. Over there, if you switch to stickers, we added several new stickers. We updated some existing stickers, and we also added stickers with a stroke. So if you can see there are some stickers and they have stroke on them. And we also allow you to edit the stroke as well. So for example, I can resize the sticker, and you see it has this some kind of I'm not sure if you see it on the stream. It has 1 pixel black stroke. Let's change it to something so you can definitely see it. You can change the size of the sticker, of the stroke, and the color, of course. I don't know, let's make it red. And the thing is, when you resize the sticker, the stroke size still stays the same. It doesn't rescale as the whole shape, and this is actually really good for the stroke, because lots of editors, they actually resize the stroke with the sticker, and usually it's not what you want. And we also, there are quite a few more interesting stickers, like this one. I don't know. Yeah, of course you can change it here as well. You can change the color, the size. Yeah, and of course you can change all the colors as you could before, right? Yeah, this is it. I think we did the yeah. By the way, let me tell us. Yeah, good vibes. I think we added something to the arrows as well. There are some arrows, again with the strokes or not, and we also added some stickers you can use for messages like bubbles. That's called. I forgot what it's called. Anyway, yeah. So there's notes, that kind of stuff. Okay. Yeah. I think that's it for today. Let me see if you have any questions. Okay, Mike is asking about roadmap and with only streaming features. So yeah, first of all, yeah, this update about stickers, but guys, actually, yeah, it always comes up on almost every live. The thing is, we always working on the editor. In fact, we have the whole dedicated team working on the editor, and we always fix stuff or add stuff or improve things. It's not, if you don't see any new features every week, it doesn't mean that we're not working. In fact, it's very hard to add new features every week. I don't think any of our competitors or any other editors, they add features every week. It's extremely hard, because if you're going to add features every week, you're going to have lots of bugs which we need to fix all the time. So if you don't see any features like every week, that's okay. We're still working on the editor. We're still fixing all those bugs. And bugs, it doesn't mean it's full of bugs. It's usually like edge cases. Sometimes it happens under certain condition. You have to find it and fix it. So basically, we make it better every single week. And I mean, I think it's reasonable to expect probably one big feature a month, something like that, and of course some small improvements here and there. And I'm pretty sure we made some improvements, probably small improvements here and there in the editor. I probably just forgot to mention them. Okay. So Anita is asking, is it possible to simultaneously play two videos in a project? Yes, of course. But I mean, you just have to rearrange them on the screen. And if you're talking about, okay, let me just show you. Depends on what you actually want. So, but for example, this is the video. I think this is the video. Maybe it's an image. But anyway, so you can do it different ways. For example, you can use layouts. I don't know, just for to simplify the example. Let's say you use this layout, right? So there are three placeholders. Here you have picture, I think. Here you can add the video here. Let's go to the stock library and add some videos, and can add another video here. So now you have two videos and an image, right? Playing in your project at the same time. But you can use, of course, different layouts. So you can even, customize the existing ones. Use different layouts. There are quite a few you can use. I don't know. Let's do this one. And you can customize it. Or another way to use several videos in a project is to use overlays and stickers. So it's basically, you can add your video as an overlay. Here you have the video as an overlay, and you can place it any way you want, and you can frame it in any way, in any shape. Like, for example, let's do this one. Okay. So now you have, again, several videos in the project playing at the same time. So play with it. Let us know if it works for you or not. Okay. Yeah, our own Karen. So basically, contact Karen. She will help you via the chat widget on the site. She will explain how to do it if you still have any problems. Okay, one video is a screen recording, the other is me explaining the recording. Yeah, I mean, you could do it different. I mean, several different ways. You can actually do everything using the streaming studio. So essentially, you create a recording, you add yourself as a as a guest, as a user on the stream, and then you add the screen recording or screen itself on the site, like here, for example, right? And you just record it, or you can record it separately using different software, and then just use video wave editor to combine them any way you want. I don't know who is it. Had to be assigned. Yeah. Okay, guys. Think that so I think that's it for today. Thank you for joining me this Friday, and have a great weekend. Bye. See you next week or the week after.